folks, welcome back. So I'm going to give a quick flight demo of my Eachine E58 pocket drone. This thing's a ripper, mini Mavic. One gripe, I've got the 3 battery set. One gripe I got with this unit, it doesn't come with a little nice carry case like the JGRC does. But anyway, we'll need to improvise. So what I'm going to do, let's pull out these little arms here. This is a cool little unit, very much like a Mavic. Copyright, don't worry about it, it's cool. These batteries are charged up a couple of days ago. I have found that sometimes these will discharge themselves, which is no good. Make sure it's in the right way, little prongs there, face upwards. The other thing is, I was going to show you guys what I particularly like about this drone is you can charge it up with a micro USB, so you don't need to purchase the actual plug if you want to charge up multiple batteries on these other drones that I've been looking at. So that's pretty cool. So stick the battery in. I'll hook it up to my Note 3, the old favourite. So you guys don't need to see that, so I'm going to fast forward this while I'm hooking it up. Okay, grab a couple of batteries, put them in my pocket. And let's go do some flying. We'll hit our record button. Let's take a couple of photos. One key takeoff. You don't need to have these down if you don't want, because you know what? They do nothing. If you want to look good with your mates, yeah, stick them up there, the antennas. But you know what? They're just nothing at all. Get them out of the way. Phone sits in here pretty well. My Note 3 fits in there, pretty cool, no drama. One key takeoff. Hit the up button here, and off she goes. First thing I suggest doing with this drone, when you get airborne on a nice calm day, a little bit of wind here today, is just calibrate it so that we lose that drifting action. So it's just a matter of pushing these up, down, left, right arrows up here until we got what we're after. I'm going to do a bit of a range test here, see how far we can go and see what happens when we go too far. So at the moment I'm set to 30% speed, so I'm going to boost it up to 60. I don't want to go super fast. In fact, what I'll do for you guys that haven't seen it, I'll show you guys the difference in modes. So hopefully it's not too far away, bring it a bit closer. So this is your 30% left and right yawing. Watch out for the footy pole. Battery time, well, let's find out, but I'm thinking it's going to be about 10 minutes. So 30% is nice and controllable. I call it kid mode. Let's notch it up a degree to 60. 60% does make sharper turns. Certainly sharper forward and backward rolls and stuff. A little bit more fun. And we notch it up to the 100%. And we're in pretty zippy mode here. It's pretty good at here in the open, but if you're in a controlled, confined space, you can see where I'm flying pretty crazy here. You can see you can get yourself in trouble pretty quick. It's pretty fast. Not too bad at all. Okay, let's do a range test first. I'm going to stick in 100% mode, and let's get out of here. Let's go forward. Now I don't know what's going to happen when we lose range. It's Wi-Fi here, I don't have an extender on. Let's have a look. Okay, so we lose range, it just lands on the ground. It's landed. Okay. That gave me about 60 metres of range. And because I ran, I'm a bit puffed. Okay, so continuing, let's take a couple of snaps from the air now. Come back here. interfering with my range slightly, but I'm not sure. Okay, we're going to get a bit of a height test going here. So range, yeah, 50, 60, maybe 70 metres depending on where you are. I'm just on an oval here, so it should be pretty good. And if I let go, it's just going crazy. So I'm going to bring it back and do a calibration. So I don't think we're calibrated correctly now. Ah, there we go. Low battery. Okay, new battery. Let's do our 1 key takeoff. I've just done a calibration because she was going a bit wonky before. So what we're going to do is do a height test now. See how high it goes. Sorry about the camera here. Let me just give you a bit more height there. Let's bring her into shot. See if I can get a couple of flips going for you guys too. Okay, let's go up. And up we go. Yeah, about 20-30 metres there. No, when it goes out of range, what it does is it powers down and goes to land itself. So let's bring her back here a bit closer. Okay, right above us there, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to go up and up and up until it takes over. There we go, it's just taken over itself now. So what happens, folks, with the Eachine is when you're out of range, it'll cut in and out, and then it will decide right over there. It's just taken off now. So it's landed. Yeah, it's about 50-60 metres away, probably about 30 in height. So what I'm doing is I'm actually losing control and regaining it. So it just tinkers on the edge of non-responsiveness, and I've just managed to bring it back. So that's pretty cool. See if I can just give myself some more height.